Jeff Keenan here in the Rivian R1T. Now, Rivian has announced that their R1 Generation 2 vehicles will support Apple Watch's key. To support Apple Car Key, you need to have some additional hardware like ultra wideband, which the Generation 1s don't. But that's okay, because I'm going to show you how to install an app on your iPhone and Apple Watch that will also unlock and start your Rivian. So first install the WAAKey app on your iPhone, and then open the app on your watch and log in with your Rivian credentials. And your Rivian is going to ask you if you want to add this as a key in your vehicle, and you can name it. It's going to show up like another phone key in your Rivian display, and you can enable passive locking and unlocking if you want. I also have lock and unlock controls on the watch. I have passive unlocking enabled, so as I approach the vehicle, the door handles open and the vehicle unlocks. This will only work if the watch is pin locked to your wrist, so someone can't just swipe your watch and take your Rivian. So it'll do this strictly by Bluetooth, and you won't require to have the phone. So if you're going for a run or a swim or something where you didn't want to have to take your phone, you could quit the Rivian app and leave it in your car in a secure location. There you go. Watch's Key, great another way to access your vehicle. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.